Right, welcome this grade 10 students. This very arithmetic series video. It's my final video for grade 10 arithmetic series. Today I'll show you the remaining and important questions from your text, page 75, and some other recent O-level papers also. So last we learned the summation formula, Sn equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula to find the summation, and Sn equal n by 2a plus l is nth term formula. So those are newcomers, you can't do this video properly. Best thing, stop this video, go through the first video and regular basis follow all. Then you know clearly what happened here, how to solve the important O-level question, one of the problem in O-level arithmetic series. So to study properly, you will go my first video and check in order till this video. Okay, I show the question number 3. Take page 75. Question number 3, there are a couple of parts, all separation. You'll see. First question there, find the number of odd numbers between 3 and between 2 and 180. Find the number of odd numbers between 2 and 180. So that is using the TN formula. How many odd numbers? I worked last video such problems. How many odd numbers available from between 2? 2 is not odd number. 180 not an odd number. So what the first odd number 3, hereafter 5, 7, like that. So you can't use like a primary students by counting all 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. You can all number count and tell how many numbers are there. That is wrong way in this secondary grade 10 or O-level syllabus. There's a way how to solve by using the formula, right? First write a few terms. First number is 3, next 5, next 7, at last 179. So how many numbers are there? Begins from 3, finishes or end with 179. Use the TN formula. Before that, always write the first term 3, common difference 2, and write the TN formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. How to find where is 179? In this order, which term is 179? I explained previous many videos such problem. So the way of answering, how? Substitute Tn for 179, a for 3, n minus 1, d for 2. Okay, now solve this equation, find the n value. That's the first answer, part 1, question number 3 in your local textbook grade 10. So take the 3 this side, 179 minus 3 is equal to what? N minus 1 into 2, 176. Multiple 2 here, divide by 2. This is the method of solving. 17 to 8 times 1 rest 16, 8. Take the negative one this side. So therefore, what is n equal? 89. That means start 3, 5, 7 up to here. 89 numbers. Where is 179? 89th term, right? The first part of that, and find their sum. There are 2 parts in this first question. First, there's how many numbers are there, odd numbers in this order. Now find all their addition. That means what? 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus all adding up to 179. You can't do ordinary method, long time. That is, use a formula, Sn formula. Here the best formula, second formula, because you know the last number. You know the last number. Last number is what? Not 180, 179. Which number is 179? 89th term. Therefore, you apply Sn equal by 2 a plus L formula. So we'll find the S n for 89, n for 89 over 2, a for what? 3, don't say 2, we won't take 2. You have to find what are series here, start between 3, 5 and so on, right? A for 3, last number 179. So what is that? Yeah, 89 can't divide, divisible by 2, don't divide, it become a decimal, you leave it, don't cut by 2, that is leave it, because here it can be divisible value, 182, okay. So what the answer? 89 times, and now cut this to here, 91. So multiply this and get the answer. Okay, I hope you can do that hereafter. This is the method. First question. Stop the video, try the second part. Try it, I'll explain with me, check that answer. Find the number of positive terms divisible by 5 below 200 and find their sum. The same idea, below 200, they say below 200, therefore you can't take 200, what is the biggest number? 195, 190, 185, and at last what? 5, 10, 15. Same idea. You try your own. How many divisible by 5s are there? Start here, finishes. They say below 200. Sometimes you take 200 also. We can't give marks because the question is, they say less than 200. Between 1 to 200, like that. How many divisible of 5 is available and find their sum. Same idea. I want to find where is 195. So first term is 5. Common difference also 5. So apply the Tn formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn for 195. A for 5. N missing, find n value. Common difference 5. Now solve, those are newcomers, this is the method of solving, right? Don't multiply the bracket and waste the answer. Tricky, quick methods, we'll find the n value, subject n here. Similar, find the n value. Take the 5 this side, 195 minus 5, okay, equal to what? N minus 1 into 5. So hereafter, what is that? Subtract 5, 190. Multiple 5 that side, divide by 5. This is n minus 1. So what is that? 19, 5, how many times? 2 times or 3 times? 15, 4 balance, 48. Equal n minus 1. Take the negative that side, 39, okay. There are 39 numbers which are divisible by 5 less than 200. දෙසියට අඩු 5 ගුණකාර. ஐந்தால வகுப்படக்கூடிய எண்கள் எத்தனை? 200 விட குறைந்ததுகள். 39, okay. Now find their sum. Find their sum. So you also best formula Sn equal n by 2a plus formula a plus l. This is the easiest form. You can apply next year also. If you have doubt, check that formula. Also apply same answer, right? But your most appropriate or suitable formula is this. So sum of 39 numbers equal 39 over 2. A is 5, last number 195. Okay, so here you can complete the rest of the parts. This is 200. Yeah, easy, I can do the answer. I can calculate the answer easily. Multiply 100. That is 3,900. Sum of all the terms which are divisible by 5 less than 200. If they say 200, also consider what happened. 40 number, then 40 numbers, right? Then put here 40 and complete it, it become 200 then. Therefore, always use it properly, read the question and do the rest by using the proper formula. Stop the video, try the fourth part, pause the question, the third part. Find the number of terms between 3 and 200. Between 3 and 200. Between 3 and 200. Whose remainder upon division by 4 is 1 and find their sum. Understood? Something different word they use. So therefore read, follow, once again read it. Read many times and identify the case, what the problem says. Find the number of terms between 3 and 200. What is between 300 and 200? Between 3 and 200 means what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 199. Whose remainder how? If you divide by 4, balance is 1. If you divide by 4, balance is 1. Give some pattern. Divide by 4, balance is 1. 5. Divide by 4, balance is 1. Next what? 8 mean twice. 9, is it 9? Divide by 4, 2 times, balance is 1. Okay. Next 12, so 13. Divide by 4. How many times? 13, 3 times, balance is 1. This is the series. First to identify the proper series, otherwise you can't do it. Otherwise you can't complete it, right? First properly identify. හරියට මේ හඳුනා ගන්න මේ ශ්‍රේණිය කොහොමද රටාව කොහොමද කියලා. So but the last less than 200 divisible by 4 balance 1. What the divisible by 4 number is it? 196. Is it? Divide by 4 and check how many 4s. 4 times here 16. Okay. 3 balance 36, 4, 9 times. Exactly divisible. So what the answer here, the other number is what? 197 what? 1 balance. Okay, 1 balance. So therefore 197 is the last term. Okay. If you divide by 2, how many times? 19, 4. 3 or 4 times is okay. 16, 3 balance. 37, how many 4s? 9 times, 1 balance. Okay. So last now. So find how many numbers are there. How many numbers are there? Starts here, finishes here, and find their sum. If you properly identify the particular series, then you can teach me the other parts. I hope that. So first term is 5. Common different is 4. Last number 197, right? So first you find where is 197. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn for right 197. A for 5 plus n minus 1, d for 4. So find the n value. Take the 5 this side. 197 minus 5. N minus 1 into 4. Okay. Subtract 5, 192. Is it okay? Multiple 4, divide by 4. This z is n minus 1. 19, 4, 4 times. 16, 32. 8 times. Okay. Take the negative one here. So therefore this is the method how to work and calculating. 49 numbers are there. Starting 5, finishes 197, which are divisible by 4. Balance comes 1. Now find their sum. Use this formula. Use this SN formula. Find their 49 term summation. So this formula, no use of the common difference, right? So what the answer? S49, right? Equal to N449 over to A45 plus last number 197. So 49 over 2 into 202. Okay, I cut the 2 and multiple the answer. 49 into 101. Get the answer for this question, right? So I hope you can work the remaining question, all the similar idea, same question, same type, right? Okay, now I show you one question, 2016 O-level paper. Pre-O-level, there's a big problem, all grade 10 your syllabus. Therefore, you can work by taking your sister, brothers, O-level past paper book or any papers too. Okay, so write this question. I'll write this question. The first term of an AP, short form arithmetic series. First term of an AP is 82. First term of an AP is 82. Common difference is -4. First term 82. Common difference -4. Right, the first part, find the 12th term of the progression. Find the 12th term of this progression. First we complete and come. There are two parts in this question, right? Now find the first term. Find the term problem. Use this formula. Tn formula. Find the first term. So that Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. So apply Tn formula. They ask find the 12th term. So T12, right? T12, A for 82. Here N for what? 12 minus 1. Common difference -4. Now simplify, get the answer. Simplify, find that solution. Which term? 12th term is what? So the answer 82 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into -4. So 82 plus minus when you multiple. So 12 minus 4, 8. Here at 738 is it? So 12th term is 838, right? First part is over. I hope you can do this. Simply get full marks for that. Right, second part, write this question, second part. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms that need to be added. That need to be added together starting from 12th term for the sum to be 0. Find the number of terms that to be added together starting from 12th term, comma, for the sum to be 0. Sum to be 0. First time I am showing such problem. Similar problem they are here in your book too. We will work after finishing such questions. So what the meaning of this problem they ask, you know, 12th term is 38. 12th term is 38. Okay, what the next term? Decrease by 4. Common difference -4 means decrease by 4. What the other term? 12th term is this. What is 13th term? 34. 12th term, 13th term. What is 14th term? 30. Next term, 26. Okay. Now what they ask, if you add this all term, answer is 0. If you sum this all term, answer becomes 0. Then how many terms to be added? If you add these 2, there's a value. If you add these 3 number, there's a value. Like if you add the all number, there's an answer. But somewhere if you add all the value, answer becomes 0. Why it becomes 0? It decreasing. Somewhere goes some minus answer also. If you go like this, somewhere comes minus answer also, because the common difference decreasing, adu venuma. Terms tika adu veegana yanuma, kuraindu poginrathu. Enave oru edathila பூஜ்ஜியம் minus பெருமதிகளும் வரும். Rina පැත්ත තෙන්ට පුළුවන් නේ. Therefore sum of all the numbers becomes 0. How many terms to be added? Very important question. The first problem I am showing, you have to work a couple of questions like this. Okay, see the idea. How many terms to be added to the summation becomes 0? So here also summation formula. The best formula, Sn equal n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the best formula. Here Sn is given like 0. Sn, sum of number, sum of particular summation is 0. Sum of number, we don't know how many numbers. Put Sn for 0. Okay, n, we don't know how many numbers to be taken. We have to find the n value, right? 2 times, therefore 82 plus n minus 1, common difference what? Minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Now see, the idea is such a type of question, there is a quadratic equation. That's why I successfully completed grade 10 syllabus quadratic equation. Those are newcomers, refer that also. General pattern, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 can be factorized. We have two solutions for any QV quadratic equation, right? So rearrange, get that quadratic equation pattern. So see that 0 equal n over 2. So here easy method I am showing to simplify. Here 2 available. Here also 2 available. Can I take a 2 out? If I take a 2 out, 2 cancel with this. Okay? Small factorization idea, right? Without taking 2 also can be work, but it's easy. So 2 is out. So 81 plus n minus 1 minus 4. 2 taken out, what? Minus 2. 2 is taken out. Okay? See what the profit of 2 taken out? 2 cancel. Okay, so 0 equal n into 82 multiplied by minus, bracket multiply by minus 2, multiply by minus 2, plus into minus, minus 2 times n, 2n plus 2. Okay, plus 2. Okay, so 0 equal n into 82 plus 2, 84 minus 2n. That's enough. Can I write the other side? We learned many, I think nearly 50 questions in quadratic equation. With 2 bracket equal to 0 pattern. So can I write this one? N into 84 minus 2n equal to 0. This is the question. Answer straightly become like this. If not so, you have to factorize that, right? Then write the answer. Those who learn quadratic equation grade 10 or in my through video series, this and this equal to 0, then what? N equal to 0 or other bracket equal to 0. So one answer n is 0, but the other answer 84 equal to 2n. 2n 84 means what is 1n? Divide by 2, 41. Is it okay? Divide by 2. So what do you mean? There are 2 n values. Always for a quadratic equation, 2 solutions available. In this question, what is n? Number of terms. How many terms there? 0 terms. That is meaningless. 0 term means no term. You can't take this. 0 terms kina mokut nata. Therefore answer 42 terms. If you add 42 numbers of that series, answer becomes 0. If you add all the 42 numbers, answer becomes 0. That's the method of such question, right? So I will show the same idea, another question, then only you know how to work that. See your miscellaneous question number 3, page 77. Page 77, miscellaneous, stop the video, go through and take your book, question number 3. What is that? The big exam type question, right? The sum of the first n terms of a series. They given for us the summation formula. Usually we use a summation formula like this. This is international formula, standard, everywhere you can use it. But particular problem only this you can use. They given. Sn means sum of n numbers, okay? If you put n for 1, sum of one number. That means only one number. If you put n for 2, sum of two number, there's the answer. So they ask first part, write the first term. What is the first term? So what the idea? Put n for 1. Put n for 1, right? S1 equal 1 square minus 8 times 1. What is 1 square? 1. 1 times 8, 8. Minus 7. What is S1 කියන්නේ? එක පදය අවුරු පුතා කරකරද. එක number සංඛ්‍යා එකතුව. Sum of one number. One number means that's the first number, right? Therefore, A equal minus 7. Okay. First term is minus 7. Second part, find the sum of first two numbers. So put n for 2. Put n for 2. S2 equal 2 square minus 8 times 2. And simplify this. Sum of two numbers. 4 minus 16. What is that? Minus 12. Minus 12, sum of two numbers, minus 12. Next, find the common difference. Okay. How we obtain common difference? Second term, subtract the first term. Or third term, subtract the second term. If you can view the first video. Certainly you can't study this video only. You go there, the newcomer especially, or not, you learn properly from the past. So to find the common difference, you need the successive terms. Can you write the series? Write some terms of this series. First term minus 7. What the second term? What the second term? Sometimes you say minus 12 is second term. Wrong. Don't say minus 12 not second term. This is sum of two number. Sum of first two number is minus 12. So first number minus 7 mean, but the second number minus 5. If you add the both minus 12, what the third number? Third term is what? How it's moving? Added by plus 2, added by plus 2, add plus 2, then minus 3, add plus 2, minus 1, add plus 2, 1. Very important. This is the series. Therefore, third part, what the common difference? What the method? Third part, common difference. D equal to what? Subtract. That is plus 2. Plus 2 is the answer, right? Minus 5. Subtract minus 7. Otherwise, minus 5. Minus plus 7. Therefore, 2. Common difference 2. That also okay. Now the last is the main part that I expect to work here. They ask how many terms to be added. Sum comes 180. The summation becomes 180. How many terms to be added? So use this SN formula. They provide us a formula. Therefore, this formula is easy, right? That is your fourth part. SN equal n square minus 8n. Write Sn for 180. N square minus 8n. Now rearrange this quadratic equation, right? We learned earlier many parts type of question. Make all one side, make it 0. N square minus 8n minus 180 is 0. If there's no 0, that is your old syllabus, factorization question, right? If 0, factorize same 2 bracket, make to 2 bracket part. So we learn grade 9, also here grade 10, factorization, multiple 180, summation minus 8, that is 10 times something, 10 times 8, here, 18 and 10, 18 and 10 together, this multiplication answer, subtract answer available, right? Therefore n square, how this one, minus 18 and plus 10 and, okay, plus 10 and minus 180 equal to 0, okay. Now this now we are after not arithmetic series problem, your factorization lesson, right? I take the n out, n minus 18, take the 10 out, again n minus 18 equal to 0, okay. Therefore n minus 18 one factor, the other one n plus 10. Then those learned properly that quadratic equation. So 2 bracket equal to 0, then this is 0, or the other one n plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore n answer plus 18, or what, n equal minus 10, minus 10. Every quadratic equation, there are 2 terms, 2 solution, every quadratic equation, okay. But here what, you can't take the minus 10. Positive answer, I said many video earlier, n always a positive number, right? You can't take minus 10 number addition. Say 18 number addition. 18 number addition only answer is 180. So we won't take this answer, okay? That's the method of this question. Okay. See, I'll read another question, the last one of your O-level paper, 2014 exam paper. The past papers can you give to your school papers or provincial paper from the OL paper as a part of your exam papers. So write this question. Consider, write this, consider the arithmetic progression whose first term is 7. Whose first term is 7 and the common difference is 3. And the common difference is 3, right? That means A is 7, D is 3. Therefore, easy question now. For this progression, write the first part, write down the first 3 terms. Write down the first 3 terms. Complete that answer. Write the first 3 numbers. Write the first 3 numbers. Write down the first 3 terms. What the first number? 7. Next one. Increase by 3, right? 10. Next one. 13. Okay. Next one. 16. Like that. There's write the first 3 number. Well balanced problem, right? Write second part. Find an expression for the nth term. Write that. Find an expression for the nth term. Let's see, work earlier videos, I think. Nth term. Write an expression for the nth term. How that? You know international formula, Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Write that formula. T is the any arithmetic series. Nth term formula is this. Now if they ask, write the nth term for a particular problem, you put n for n, A for 7, D for 3 and simplify. Okay? So what is that? A for 7, n for n, common difference 3, this is Tn, so Tn equal 7 plus multiply by 3 times n minus 3, so Tn equal what? 3n plus 4, okay? 3n plus 4 is the answer, nth term of this series. That is second part. Write the third part. Find the 50th term. Write the third part. Find the 50th term. It's the regular order problem. If you complete the first part only, you can do the second part. The second part here only, you have the answer for third part, right? So find the 50th term. How that? You know nth term formula. Put n for 50. Put n for 50. That's the method. 3 times 50 plus 4. So what is that? 150 plus 4. What is that? 154. 154, right? 50th term. Right, next part. Find the sum of the first 50 terms. Find the sum of the first 50 terms. Find the sum of the first 50 terms. Now they ask a summation formula. This is the well-balanced exam question like that. They ask the nth term formula, particular some questions. Here after summation problem. Now find the sum of 50 numbers. You know 50th term is what? Okay. Therefore the easy formula here. Sn equal n by 2 A plus L. This is the sum of n number, easy form. Because of you know the last number, 50th number, you know the answer. What is A? 7. What is N? 50. Everything known. You can apply the other formula also. But it's the most suitable, right? So what is that? S50 equal N for 50 by 2, A for 7, L for 154, okay? So what is the answer? 25 into 161. Multiply, what is the answer? Multiply and get it. Multiply by 25. Okay, 1 times 2. Is it okay? Check with you. $4,025 is the fourth part answer. This is a traditional problem for any question paper. And some two parts, there is a final O-level paper, one of your O-level question paper, right? Write part 5. Part 5, write this. Oh, not part 5, right below. Right? Not part 5, right below. Using part 4. Using part 4 above. Using part 4 above. Find the sum of first 50 terms. First 50 terms of each of the following arithmetic progressions. Of each of the following arithmetic progressions. Now the part 5. 7.2, comma 10.2, comma 13.2, and so on. Sixth part 70, comma 100, comma 130, and so on, right? So it's a good question for final term. They will give like this. So find the sum of 50 number using this answer. Using the previous fourth part answer without working the form first principle, you take this help and get it. That's the idea, right? So this is the series. See, this is the series. Now check what happened this part. What happened this part? First one is 7 plus 0.2, is it? Second term, compare with this 10 plus 0.2, is it? Okay. 13, another 0.2 added. Like that. So what happened? Again you have 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus, like all this series you have there. And additionally what extra part? 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0. How many times? 50 times. So what the easy method? All addition, what the answer? 4025 available. 4025 available. Plus additionally what? 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 50 times. 0.2, 50 times, right? Is the method. So what is that? 4025 multiple that is what? 2 over here 10, 5 is 10. 4025, is it 35? Check will. That's the tricky of this question. Tell the same idea, tell will you can now. How this compare with the first series? 7, 10 and like that. What happened? 7 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10, 100. 30 multiplied by 10. So what happened? 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. This everything multiple by 10, is it? So I hope you understood how I'm explaining this. The previous series, every number multiple by 10 and adding. So what the answer therefore? 10 times 4025. All the previous series, all the term which are multiplied by 10. That's why 70, that's why 100, that's why 130, that's why 160. So therefore total answer 50 number addition multiplied by 10. So the big number, what is that? 4,000, is it like this? 40,250. So this is the type of arithmetic series questions. I work long videos, many videos. So properly start from the beginning. Those are newcomers, subscribe my channel and press the bell sign. Then you will receive many attractive explanation video like this for all other grades. I publish many grade 8, grade 9, 10, 11, also advanced level combined maths. There is separate YouTube channel called Bright Academy Candy YouTube channel. This different YouTube channel, right? Okay, so I hope you understood properly this arithmetic series. Refer that, many questions there. Try video, you can work with the help later. After school reopen, with the teacher, you can cover it more problems involving this. Next time I will show you another different problem expecting in your final papers or very important part in your final December next year O-level papers. So expect me from this. I publish a new video for a new chapter. Okay, we'll see that later.